Our home is important and holds all that is precious to us. What makes one home safe and another open to attack? Ensuring the highest security for your windows and doors gives you a great starting point for protecting your home. But adding further layers of protection can be the first line of defence before someone even tries your lock. Setting up a simple home security system doesn't have to be complicated, and if someone does try your lock, you have the confidence that the alarms will sound to scare an intruder and the fast cloud-based alerting system will let you know. Smart security means you can monitor your home from anywhere, anytime. Easy to set up, the hub has no complicated control panel. Simply plug in and switch on. Place your sensors in identified reach areas. The sensors are pet-friendly as standard. Sign up in minutes with secure code verification. Arm or disarm your alarm from anywhere in the world. Add a sensor in 4 easy steps. Receive push notifications to allow easy monitoring of alarm status or activity. Check your alert log at any time to review times, dates and past activities. Share your alarm system with others. Give full access or just allow others to arm and disarm with time access. Monitor more than one hub from one easy swipe smartphone app. Add up to 50 extra accessories whenever you choose, from sensors to sirens, keypads and additional remote controls. Adding an external siren gives your home a further visual deterrent. Protect your home and monitor from anywhere, anytime with HomeGuard Pro.